Before starting this video, I'm going to be clear with you guys. There's no way to remove multiple Snapchat friends at a single time. Just like other platforms, Snapchat also doesn't allow you to delete all multiple friends in a single time. But there is a way which makes this process easy, which I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I just didn't want this video to be clickbait, so you guys would stay until the end thinking, all right, I'm going to be deleting multiple Snapchat friends in a single time, and at the end I just say it doesn't work and you guys are going to be angry. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm just going to be straightforward with you guys. There's no such thing as removing multiple Snapchat friends at once. Snapchat in itself doesn't allow that. So if you even do that, Snapchat might think you're hacking and your account might get banned. So you need to keep that in mind. So let me show you guys a process which makes this thing easy. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Want to Step, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Want to Step. Now let's move forward with today's video now, shall we? First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, right beside the little search icon, alright? Just click on it. And then you want to scroll a bit down, and where it says My Friends, you want to click on My Friends. You can go on My Friends, and on your friends over here, you can hold on their name and click on Manage Friendship. And you can click on remove friend and your friend will be removed. And you can do this for all your friends continuously until you remove all your friends. And that's basically this easy process. Now there's no other process which allows you to mass delete your friend. The only other way is just deleting your entire Snapchat account, which I don't think is necessary. You just need to do this. But if you have 1 or 2,000 friends, then it's gonna be a bit a long process, but this is the only way. Because I think this is a best way rather than deleting your entire Snapchat account. So hope you guys understand. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.